Hi friends, welcome to the authentication app. Today we are going to learn the how to configure the environmental variables for backend authentication app. Configure env variables or environmental variables for backend authentication app. I'm going to write the instructions. Step 1, create .env file for create .env file for file inside the root project of root project of authentication app. Root project of authentication app. Next step. Inside this, you have to mention some key value pairs. Like inside this, you have to mention inside the env.env file, you have to mention the some key value pairs like a port number. Port number, like you can take the 4000 and connection string or MongoDB URI, URL or URA. You can take the some something. I have to take like this, or you can take the some JWT token or secret token. We are going to write the .env file inside the .elp file. This type of key value pairs, like you have to take like this. We are going to take the some secret token. Like this, we are going to take. How to access this token means open a index.js file. Open a index.js file. We have created the some root file inside the some entry level file inside our backend application like index.js file. This is the index.js file. Inside this, open a index.js file. Index.js file. Inside this, we are going to write the configuration for accessing the environmental variable. We are going to first import the .env from .env. Already we have installed this library. If you haven't seen this, you can go to the my previous session or uh, previous episode. You can watch the how to install the several packages or several libraries for our application for backend application. We are going to import the this .env library, and then you have to write .env.config. This file you have to write this config. This config, then you will able to access the all the environmental variables in your application. We are going to first configure the this application. First create a one .env file. I have already created. Here you have to write port number, like I'm going to give the 7664. I'm going to write the some port number. Go to the index.js. Here import import.env import.env from .env import.env from .env. Then configure. Call the .env.config. You have to write the path of this path from where we are going to access .env file. Write this one also inside this object path.env. From this file we are going to access. This is the root of the project. That's why we have given here in the index.js we have given the .env. Now we can see how to access, like one more statement, how to access, like console dot, I'm printing here process.env.port process.env.port. Next process.env.mongodb URI console.log process.env.secret token. I'm telling that how to access this environmental variables. To the environmental variable. Environment. We are going to access process.env.port. If the port is not able to find in the .env file, we are going to take the default port like 400. If sorry 4000. Now we can run and see whether the port number is coming or accessing from the .env file or not. We open a new terminal here. Go to the server folder, cd server, clear the screen, run the application npm run start and start not there. We have not configured. Run start. Start also not there. I think okay, in the scripts I have not configured. I will see. I will work on that one also. Like I will directly run the application like using the node index.js. Like this also we can run like this only, but through scripts also we are going to run. Through scripts also we are going to run the application. Like see, server is running on the port number 7662. See, now port number is changed. If you want to change, you can change here some 8080 like this you can change. Here you have to run once again. Like after it will not automatically refresh the application. You have to run the application. You have to rerun the application. Node index.js, node space index.js. You have to run this. See, now port number is changed. Server is running on the port 8080. 8080. One step is completed. One more thing is how to write a health check route. How to write a health check route or how to write the common route. You can write how to configure, how to or configure health check route. How to configure the health check route. First, I'm going to take the app.js inside the first open one is open app.js file src slash app.js file. Inside this app.js, inside this src slash app.js I'm going to write from starting onwards. Import the express from the express. Import express from the express. Then create app equal to or const app equal to express. Then health check route app dot or app dot app dot get, not route. I forgot that app dot get. This is a get method. You can take the here get method app dot get. Inside here I'm going to take the slash function, or you can take the arrow function also. Arrow function request comma response, request comma response, return, or okay, you can write the return response dot send. You can take this anything, send welcome to authentication app, welcome to authentication application, response dot send welcome to authentication app. This thing you have to configure. Like come to here server in the index.js here. Sorry, not index dot src slash app.js here. Already written here some things, some middleware configuration and importing of the express.js and calling the express using the app variable and importing the sorry, configuring the middlewares like express.json and codes and cookie parser. These completed and write the health check route. Health check route. This is a get method. Get method. This is a get method. App dot get of slash comma callback function inside this request comma response as a parameters, return response dot send welcome to authentication application, authentication application, welcome to authentication application, welcome to authentication application. Now once again restart the application or rerun the application. Node index.js, node index.js. See, server is running on the port number 8080. Once go to the browser, I'm opening the my Edge browser and call the local host 8080. See, my is default is a slash. Can give like this also. See, welcome to the authentication application. Authentication application. You can change this. Can change this route also. Here you can give the health check route. Health check. Health check. Health check route. Here once again you have to restart this. Once again you have to restart node index.js. Node index.js. Here come here and if you run this, see, we cannot get the slash. There is a no route of slash. If you want to call this, you have to give the slash health check like this. See, welcome to the authentication app. See how to solve the rerunning or rerunning of application, restarting the application every time when application is changing or when application is saving. How to how to configure. Here I'm going to write once again one more configure for configure the application for restart problem. Restart problem in open package.json package.json file in the scripts. Here there is a lot of things are there in the here uh, in the scripts blocks in the scripts here you have to write the first thing is the start command. This is a normal command how to start like a node index.js. One more command is a dev command. This is the We are going to write node mon index.json. Sorry, index.js. Node mon index.js. This is some comments, comma. Right, these are the comments, and here you have to give start. First is the start command. This is the normal command like a node index.js, comma, and dev. This is the command like node mon index.js. Index.js. Nodemon we are already installed here. If you see in the dev dependencies of the package.json, here Nodemon are already installed. You can run. See, completed. Configuring the application for the restarts. See, once again, you can restart the application. Like if you want to run this, npm run dot dev or npm run dot. First command is npm run start. This is the normal command. Like if you change the application also, suppose if you change this application also, I'm going to in the app.js, in the app.js, I'm going to change here to from health check to normal slash. See, it will not restart. We have to, if you see, if you go to here, here, go to here, you can give like this also. We cannot get this because of we haven't restarted the application. Again, we haven't restarted the application. That's where changes are not reflected. If you want to changes are reflected, we have to restart in this mode also. npm run start. Here also. See, now it is reflected. Changes will reflected. See, if you once again call this same query, like same URL, you have to see this. Cannot get the slash health check. Now you have to give the slash. See, welcome to the authentication app. If you want to restart the every time when the application is changes, you have to use the npm run dev. npm run dev, this second command in the package.json. This command, you have to give the npm run development environment. See, application is running. First one to, I'm going to close this one. Step localhost 8080. See, welcome to the authentication app. Once again, to change this to health check. Change this to health check. See, if you see here, see, first time it is while running, it is here. Now it is once again refreshed the application or restarted the application due to the changes here. See, server is running. Server is running on the port number 78080. See, again. If you see here, now one run this application, we cannot get the slash. Now if you want to run this, want to see the welcome to the authentication app. See, you have to change the route slash authentication slash health check. See, welcome to the authentication app. Go to the here. If you change this one to the again here and click on the save button, Control S. See, it is started the changes. It detected the changes and restarted the application automatically. Once you come here and once again refresh this refresh this URL and see we cannot get the slash health check. Now we can refresh localhost 8080 and welcome to the authentication application. Here in this class we have did the three things. One is the configuring the environmental variables. Another one is the uh, health check route. Created the health check route, and another one is the restart problem. Restart problem using the nodemon monitoring tool. It will automatically monitor the changes in the application and automatically restart the application. That's all, friends. We have completed the here three things. Uh, one is the environmental variables, configuring the environmental variable, and another one is the health check route, configuring the health check route, and another one is the restart problem. Using the we have solved the restart problem using the nodemon library, nodemon third party library. If you like my content and if you like my explanation, please like the channel and like the video and subscribe the channel and support my channel.